Okay, hello GED students. This is lesson number 69, and these are problems right out of the book from lesson 69. I usually do this one after lesson 57, 55, and 56 because it's using the same skills, just one more step to it. Okay, so first off, it's here we have in parentheses, we have x plus 1 times x plus 4. So it's just like lesson 57 where I got to multiply these to multiply to these two. So you have to FOIL, they call it, or distribute to each item in the parentheses. Just like here, I want to go x times x, like that 1 plus 1 wasn't even there. So the long way I would go x times x, and then I go plus, and then I got to go x times the positive 4. So I go x, or I can go 4 times x. But then I gotta do, then I can pretend that the x isn't there. I got positive 1 times x and positive 1 times 4. So here I gotta FOIL this way. I gotta go plus 1 times x, and then here 1 times 4 plus 1 times 4. Okay? So here then, if I got x times x, well I got 2x there, I can go x squared, plus I got 4 times x, so I got 4 times x, so I can write it this way, I don't need the parentheses, plus 1 times x, which is 1x or just x, I don't need to put the 1 there, because 1 times whatever here is going to equal whatever this is, plus 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, so we're almost done. So the last thing then is like you learned in the 55 and 56, I can add these like terms here. So this here, x to the second, I can go 4x plus the x, so I actually have 5 x's, and then plus the 4. Okay, so this will be the answer right here. Okay, so here the next one, number, make sure it's on the page, move it over a little bit. This one here, I could do 2x, well I can ignore the 5, I got x minus 5 times 2x minus 7, okay? So I first got to ignore this 5x, and I got to go x times 2x, and then x times negative 7. So I got x times 2x, and then plus x times negative 7. And then I got to FOIL these here, plus I got negative 5 times 2x, so I got negative 5 times 2x, plus negative 7 times negative 5, or negative 5 times negative 7. Okay, kind of ran out of space there. So here then, now I can put these together. I got 2 times x, no, x times 2x. So that would be 2, I can put this together, 2x squared, plus I got x times a negative 7, so that would be negative 7x, so instead of the plus I can go negative 7x, plus I got negative 5 times 2x, so negative 5 times 2 would be negative 10, so I have negative 10x, and I have negative 5 times the negative 7, that's a 7, so that would be 35. It'll be a positive 35 because when multiplying two negatives it becomes a positive. Okay, but now I got these two like terms. I can add these two together. So I got, I only got 2x squared, but here I got negative 7x, and then another 10, negative 10x, so that'll become a negative 17x plus 35. Okay, so this will be the answer here. Okay. All right. There's there's a way you can do it without having to do this first step, and I'll show you that in the next video.